Taking some unknown streets this morning. Oh wow, jackpot. I gotta add that right there. That's a Chevy. Well, they call it Stress 10 here.
Are you taking pictures of her?
And they're both from San Ignacio, Santa Elena. So the first modern toilet was designed in the year 1596 by an Englishman, Sir John Harrington. He was a courtier of Queen Elizabeth I. While his invention was not widely adopted, it's duly noted as the first. Thanks to the nation of Belize, after so many years, this section of the road got paved. Well, they tossed down a cement slab, which was greatly needed and appreciated. trying to find a road shortcut, and I think I already passed it, so I need to do a 180. So I gotta drive a little bit slower so I don't make the same mistake again. Go around, even though they're supposed to wait. Oh man, it's scary driving here. So I can't even understand my own writing. Oh, so the forerunner of the modern flush toilet um, was designed in, again, a second time in 1775 by a Scottish inventor, Alexander Cummings, filed the first toilet patent. While ancient Mesopotamia developed a sophisticated sanitation system with clay pipes and sewer system, evidence suggested that they did not have the first flush toilets. Don't forget the plant right there with the orange flowers. It's not native to Central America. No, it's not native to the Western Hemisphere, the New World. It was a plant that brought here, and it's from Asia, and it has medicinal properties. The flowers, the leaves, the branches, the bark, even the wood. There it is again. Not a native species. So, Africa and Mesopotamia have been known to use toilets roughly around 3,500 to about 3,000 BC. Now, it's not like the type of toilets that we would think about, like the modern day toilets. It's nothing like that, okay? Don't get me wrong. It's not even close because I've looked at photographs and stuff of it. It's not even close. It's something completely different. We do work for likes, shares, and comments, and thanks for all those people who have been commenting and sharing and hitting the like button. Greatly appreciate it from my morbid heart. Thanks again, and I hope you guys continue to tune in and keep on helping us get to the next level that we're aiming for. All that is possible because of you guys. Thanks again.